Victor, he's just gonna do it. Victor!
Oh my.
Watch out, Rob.
Oh, Victor.
Victor loves it. He's been doing it on his own.
That's fantastic.
Careful.
Is this what Child Protective Services, they gonna watch this video and be like, what the?
Hey Victor! Hey Victor!
No, he's gone again.
Dude, he loves it.
Who knew? Who knew that cushions would bring so much joy inside as well? This is so funny, guys. We're going to do this for Jack later.
I'm Buzz Lightyear!
Buzz Lightyear.
Hey Jonas!
Do it, baby,
Victor, that's Uh-oh. Only I should have said got more.
He can't get over this.
He'll get there.
I wonder if we could get something like this in our
I know.
where they could
Trampoline?
jump on.
Little mini trampoline.
Get him more toward the middle bit.
This guy just falls
Air
right over.
mattress, yeah. Like maybe some sort of cheap, Whoa!
Uh-oh.